Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to use 3.5mm audio jack as headphone audio monitoring in Rode VideoMic Go 2 microphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see here the 3.5mm audio jack input. So here we are gonna convert this 3.5mm audio jack as headphone audio monitoring. So for this, what you need to do is you need to download one software on your respective computer. So now let's jump to the computer. So now on your respective computer, just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for one application name as Rode Central. On the first list, you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you will see here Rode Central Desktop. So you can download it for Mac computers as well as for Windows computers. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm gonna download the Windows version. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Just double click it to run this software installer. Click on next, click on accept, click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just select this launch Rode Central and click on finish, and now connect your Rode VideoMic Go 2 microphone with your respective computer by using a USB cable. So now you can see it's auto detecting my Rode VideoMic Go 2, so you can see here clearly, right? So and below here you will see a tons of options here, right? So now you can see here direct monitor. So if you enable it, then you can see here direct monitor level. So you can set your monitoring level and you can connect your respective headphone on the 3.5mm audio jack to monitor the audio using your headphones. So by turning on this direct monitoring, you can easily use 3.5mm audio jack as headphone audio monitoring in Rode VideoMic Go 2 microphone very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.